Geometry Dash. Everybody knows that I got a plan. What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Coryxkenshin here, and welcome to Geometry Dash. Now, my friend Zone actually bought me this game during my 48-hour live stream. Shout out to him. The way that this series is gonna work, check out all these levels. We got plenty of levels to play here. Each episode, I want to beat one level. So during the stream, I beat the first level, and it was hard as crap. The second level, let's do it. Back on track. Okay, just gotta concentrate. This game is all about. I hate this game. I really do. It has some really nice music though. I think I had a lot of pressure while I was playing it during the live stream because it was like 400 people watching me, and now that I'm in the comfort of my own home, which I was during the live stream, what the heck, now that I'm just playing by myself, I feel like I have a better chance at this. So let's do this. Oh, don't worry about the coin. Don't worry about the coin. Just freaking woo! Hey, hold up. Oh! Yeah! Ah! Oh my gosh, hold up, let me concentrate. My head's freaking swiveling all, messing me up. No. Okay, come on. Woo! We can do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. We can do this. Hold up. Are we about to beat this? Are we about to beat this level? Shut up, Corey. Just play the freaking game. Just play the freaking game. Oh my gosh. How much further? Oh! Oh! No! Oh my gosh! How did I just... Let's go! Oh my... Third attempt? Are you kidding? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! My heart? Can you all see my heart? During the stream, we were playing this for like an hour and I couldn't beat it. Okay, since that happened so fast, I guess let's try and beat the third level as well in this video. Because, I mean, I'm on the roll or something. Let's do this. I played, like, the first few levels during the stream, so kind of know what to expect. Later on, the series is going to get a lot more hard, but for now, I mean, it's still hard right now. I mean, the freak is, yeah, I'm still so amped from that. It's like when you talk, your brain takes away, like, 50% of your gameplay. I'm serious. Like, Let's Players... They're really good game players, even if they might suck in their videos, because you have to do commentary on top of playing the game. So if you get a Let's Player who is really good at playing the game and commentary, you know, they're really good. I mean, you don't want to face them off screen, because, you know, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just going to keep going. So these blue things, as you probably have noticed, I can jump off. That was blue. I'm in yellow. See, that's the gameplay messing with my colors. Oh yeah, I played this level many times during the stream. Many times, and I was not able to be successful. I like flying. Flying is so peaceful. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. I don't know how you're supposed to get that coin. Alright, come on, let's do it. Turn up. Turn up, turn up, turn up. Woo! Look at a brother go! Alright, don't go down there. Oh yeah. Yo, this game is so much easier. Not live streaming. I'm gonna just be honest. I don't think I ever got this far. Come on, baby. Level has to be almost over. Has to be almost over. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that was painful. That was a painful one. But let's get back. Busted a freaking blood vessel. Come on. I was near this part. I made a mistake. It's coming up. I don't know what it was. And it's when you play this game for so long, like your eyes, they just, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just me, but I can't, my eyes don't know what to look at. I'm trying to look at the square, but then I'm looking at the background, and it's just so colorful, and I don't recommend playing this game for too long at one time. Oh yeah, it's my flying part. Alright, let's get real. Come on. Get the freaking W, Corey. Get the freaking W. You can do it. Woo! Woo! Come on, baby. Don't freaking so close to me. Every time I see the status bar, like, almost there, I just can't, like, it's so much panic that happens. It's insane. Like, the longer I play, it's like the worse I get. Because, I mean, my first couple of attempts, I almost smoked this place. I'm on attempt like 23. I don't know what happened. That's it. Cut it, wrap it, sew it, kill it. Oh, you know, I don't understand what it is, but the longer that I play this game, the harder it is. Like, I really need to, like, take breaks, because I got all this stuff around that I can break and get frustrated at. Well, you finished 2 levels. Let me know down in the comment section if you think this Geometry Dash series is a good idea. Go ahead and this is Samurai, slice that like button. Subscribe today to join the Samurai.
Well, that was it. I'm sorry that I didn't record. It's just that I was having a hard time. I was gonna record Has-Been Hotel without the. I was gonna record Has-Been Hotel with my friend Legend Motion Man, and also I was gonna record Coryxkenshin, but that one failed mostly because I put my face cam too wide and it blocked my view. So that's why I restarted it and did a different one. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Sorry that this is a little shorter than I thought.